The initial assessment involved walking through the two-story office building, which featured a drop ceiling throughout. The strongest magnetic field was located in the ceiling near the entrance and seemed to originate from a conduit running along the ceiling. A Gauss meter was used to measure the magnetic field. It read approximately 5 mg at its peak, which is about 10 times higher than the typical background magnetic field found in most office environments. To isolate the source, the copier was turned off, and the magnetic field immediately dropped to around 1 mg. This confirmed the copier as the primary source of the elevated magnetic field. Upon opening and inspecting the conduit, it was found that the wires inside were not properly shielded, and their close proximity to each other contributed to the problem. The recommendation was to rewire the conduit using shielded wires and ensure they were spaced further apart. Additionally, it was advised to install a magnetic field shield around the copier itself. The electrician rewired the conduit and put in place the magnetic field shield around the copier. After these actions, the magnetic field was verified to be below 1 mg throughout the entire office space. The client reported a noticeable improvement in the performance of their electronics following the resolution of the magnetic field issue.